What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota Prius Prime remote key fob. This Prius Prime key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's this notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the key. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch like that. Make sure it's all the way pushed in. Then I'm going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock with a key. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull the back off, and now we see our battery right here. And for this part, I'm going to grab the key and use the end of it to get under the edge of the battery right here and pop it out of that holder. And I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. I'll kind of tuck this edge in first like that, then snap it down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.